Hello, my friends, clients, and all. I am using our new office marketing studio to announce my new fantastic listing. Showing of my listing will start on August 2nd at 11 a.m. with Brokers Open House, but anybody can come. Best rolling hills location on Dapplegray Lanes, where peacocks and horses are more usual to see on the road than cars. Address of my listing is 62 Dapplegray Lane. It is a cul-de-sac street lane, and it is the best rolling hills location. It is French Chateau on 27,181 square feet lot with 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms in the main building, pool, spa, outdoor full kitchen with under the roof open living area, vegetable garden, swing, game yard, orchards, and then separate horse chateau. Property is assigned for 4 horses, but now there are 2 stalls with about 6,000 square feet riding ring, tuck room with another bathroom so rider can take shower, change, and enter the house. Ends by bridal trail, so you can go with the horse directly to the trail and continue with the golf course. City, mountain, and ocean views are another extra. So hurry up before this Dapplegray jewel will be gone.